Number 1, find the integral of x to the power half 2x minus 5 over 3 with respect to dx, writing each term in simplest form. So we can write the 3 as a coefficient of the whole expression, and we can write this as the integral of 1/3 x to the power half bracket 2x minus 5 dx. We can now simplify this by expanding everything with 1/3 x to the power half. So we can rewrite this again, and 1/3 times 2 gives us 2/3, and x to the power half multiplied by x to the power 1 gives us x to the power 3 over 2. We then have 1/3 x to the power half multiplied by minus 5, which gives us minus 5 over 3 x to the power half. So if we integrate 2/3 x to the power 3 over 2, we can first write this as 2/3, and we can increase the power of x by 1 to make it 5 over 2, and we divide by the new power, which is 5 over 2. We then have the 5 over 3, and if we increase the power of x, this would become x to the power 3 over 2, and we would now divide by the new power of 3 over 2. And because this is an indefinite integral, we would put plus c. So 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 2 is the same as 2/3 multiplied by 2 over 5, which would give us 4 over 15, x to the power 5 over 2. And 5/3 divided by 2/3 is the same as 5/3 multiplied by 2 over 3, which would give us 10 over 9, x to the power 3 over 2 plus c. And that is our final answer for number 1.